guys. Y'all haven't fixed the text yet. Hi, I'm Miss Ayala. I'm an algebra teacher at WT White, and today I brought my student.
Melly. Hi, everybody.
Okay, we're going to be working some problems today. Okay, it's a little bit of a review. I'm going over graphing. We're reviewing laws of exponents, and X and Y intercepts, scatter plots, so a little bit of everything today because we don't want to forget everything that we learned the past few weeks, okay? So welcome Nellie, she's one of my students from WT White.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Okay. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go, we already have a caller.
Yes.
Okay.
Ryan from WT White.
Okay. Ryan. Is anyone there? Okay, we're having a little bit of technical difficulty.
Hi, Miss Ayala.
Hi.
Hey, Nelly.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good, good.
Okay, make sure everyone's copying down the problems.
All right, they hear you.
Okay, you tell them and to be nice to Miss Burnett.
Yeah, everybody be nice to Miss Burnett.
Okay, and put your chairs back where they're supposed to be.
And put your chairs back where they're supposed to be.
Okay, thank you, Miss Burnett, for staying after school. I love you too. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go over laws of exponents, okay?
All right.
Okay, Nellie, can you go ahead and read it for me?
Okay, it says, one side of a square measures 2x squared, y squared. Which expression best?
Best, okay, best represents the area, yes. So a little piece of it came off. And that would probably be because I was making these up at 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, ready, ready, ready?
Yes.
Okay, which best represents the area? Okay, now we're talking about an area of a square, right?
Uh-huh.
Of a funky looking square, so that's area, right?
Uh-huh.
Can you tell me what the formula is for area?
A equals 5/2.
Okay, give me the formula first. Area equals...
Area equals...
What are you going to do with the sides?
Side 2. Area equals side 2. Squared. I'm trying to...
The side squared? Okay, you can do side squared, or you can do
side
length.
times side.
We can do length times width. Okay? So the reason why we're doing side squared, because what is so special about a square?
It looks like they're equal.
The sides are equal. They're all congruent. Okay? So if it seems like I only give you one side, it's because all the sides are congruent. Okay, so let's go ahead and set it up. So my area is going to equal... What's the side that I gave you?
2.
Okay.
2x.
So 2x squared.
Y. 2x squared.
Okay, and all of it, raise it to what power?
The second power.
To the second power. Good. Okay. Here we go. Now, can you tell me what this means when we square this? How many times do I need to write this down?
Twice.
Twice. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as 2x squared, y squared, times what?
Times what? 2x squared.
Yes, I'm just writing it because it's a little bit easier to look at when you write it twice. So this means...
Squared.
Yeah, squared 2 times. Okay, now, what are we going to do with the coefficients, with the numbers?
Multiply.
Multiply them. So what's 2 times 2?
4.
4. And what do we do with the little beady numbers, with the exponents?
Times 2. Yeah.
Tell me what to do, though. What do we do with them?
Multiply them. No, add them. Add them.
Add them. Good. So y'all remember, whatever you do with the big numbers, you don't do the same thing with the little beady ones, okay? So 2 plus 2 gives you?
4.
4. And then?
Then your y.
And my y is going to be y to the?
To the second power. To the fourth power.
Good. Because we added or we multiplied?
We added.
We added to the fourth. Okay, so let me zoom out. Zoom, 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 zoom.
B.
So what's my answer?
B. No, C.
Letter?
C.
C. Good.
I'm
Whoop, whoop, whoop. You got it right. So let me see. Ryan.
Please not put my last name.
Okay, let me give you a little smiley face. Okay. Box nose. Yay.
Are you trying to make fun of my nose?
No, this isn't. No, this isn't Ryan, you guys. I'm just.
You just drawing something, right?
Yes.
All
There
right.
you go. There's your smiley face.
Okay.
Woo!
Thank you, Miss Ayala. Bye, Nelly.
Bye.
Good job, Brian. Woohoo!
Woo!
Okay, next.
We have a caller from Griner. Her name is Kathy.
Kathy. Hi, Kathy.
Hello.
Cassie.
Cassie.
Oh, Cassie.
Good. Hi, Cassie. How's it going?
Fine.
Fine. Who's your teacher who's staying with you?
Mr. Easthoff.
Oh, tell him that we said thank you for staying. Okay, are you ready to work some problems?
Yes.
Good. Have you gone over graphing?
Yes.
Have you done rise over run, stuff like that?
A little.
A little? Okay, let's go ahead and I'll give you one like that. If you forget, that's okay. I'll remind you, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, it says graph using the slope and the y-intercept. So have you seen something like this yet?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Okay. If your teacher hasn't taught you this, it's okay, guys. You'll be a little bit ahead of them, okay? So can you identify the slope for me on this one? What's your slope?
2/3.
2/3. Good. That's 2/3. And what's your y-intercept?
3.
Okay.
-3.
-3. Can you write that as an ordered pair for me?
0, -3.
Awesome. So which was your starting point?
0.
0,
Or-
negative. This is where you start from, right?
0, -3.
Okay, so tell me. So tell me where to go from here.
From the X.
Jose Rubio, please report to the main office.
Okay, where do I go from here?
Report to the main office.
You go down 3.
Down 3. 1, 2, and 3. This is a y-intercept right here. This is 0, -3. Now, can you tell me what the 2 means and the slope? What direction are we supposed to go?
Up.
Up. And then what direction are we supposed to go with the 3?
Right.
So I'll put an R and a T for right. So this is what you do, you guys. If you haven't done this yet, you put your pencil right at your starting point. We're going to count the little blocks going up or the units going up, okay? So it says 2 up. So how many little units do I count?
2.
So I'm going to go up 1, up 2. So make sure you don't start counting until you move your pencil. So here's 1 block, 2 blocks, okay? And then 3 to the
Right.
3 to the right. So start counting when you move your pencil. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's my point. If I want another point, tell me what to do from here. If I want another point.
You go up 2 and over 3
1,
to the right.
2, right. 1, 2, 3. And I always like my students to know both directions, how to graph both directions. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. And let's think of the opposite. So we went up 2. What would be the opposite?
Down 2.
Down 2. And 3 to the
Left.
3 to the left. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, down 2, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. It sounds like you remembered how to do this. And there's my almost perfect line. Great job. Was that so hard?
No.
Okay, let me give you your smiley face, okay? Let's give him a pointy nose. Let's make him some teeth on this one. Okay, let's make one eye going down, one eye going up. Ooh, it is Halloween. Let's give him a little hat. Oh, that doesn't look like a hat. Okay, let's do one little ear and one big ear. And let's give him a skinny body.
You're a great artist.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you for calling.
Bye.
Bye, sweetie. Call again, call again, call again.
Okay,
call
we
again.
have another caller, Canberra from WT White again.
Kiambra. Hi, Kiambra.
Hi, Miss Ayala.
How y'all doing?
We're doing fine.
Okay, y'all behaving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good, good, good. Y'all be nice. Okay, so.
Can I have an easy one?
An easy one? Just for that, I'm going to get a hard one. Okay, maybe not. Let's do. Yeah, let's do this. Here we go. Okay, Nelly is going to read.
Gave me this one.
Okay.
Don't you move.
What is the x-intercept of 2x plus 3y equals 32?
Okay, first you're gonna move the 2x, and it'll become.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
And
X-intercept. Anytime when you're looking for the x-intercept, what does your y always equal?
0.
0. So,
Oh, you. Subtract.
and this is going to help you with today's homework that I gave you guys. So, for the x-intercept, what does your y equal?
0.
0. So, what's 3 times 0?
0.
0. So, can I just cover up the y and pretend it's not there?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what's left over then.
2x equals 32.
2x equals 32.
And
Okay.
You divide by 2.
Okay, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides.
So,
So, what does x equal?
x equals 16.
Awesome, awesome. Woohoo. Okay, let me see. What is my answer?
D.
Letter B. Yay. Do we not have another caller yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. Y'all need to call in. So x equals 16. Okay, since we don't have another caller, I'm going to leave you on the phone, okay? Because this one was real easy.
Okay.
Okay, let's do another one.
I get extra credit. Extra credit.
Extra credit. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm going to give you a graph, and I want you to give me
The formula.
the equation. Awesome. Okay, so in order for us to come up with an equation, we need the slope,
Which is the y-intercept.
and we need the y-intercept.
Oh.
Okay, so those of you, if you haven't done this yet, that's okay. You're going to be a little bit ahead when you go back to your class. In order for you to get a slope, you need to pick 2 perfect points on the graph, you guys. So some of us still don't know how to do that. It's got to be at a perfect little corner. So Kiambra, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I can pick my y-intercept to be a point. Tell me when to stop when I can pick another perfect point, okay? Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
There you go. Tell me when to stop when I can pick another perfect point.
Stop.
There you go. Because we can't pick it here, right? Because that's in the middle of a block. It's got to be right on the corner. So the slope is rise over
Run.
run. Okay, so tell me, yay. Tell me how many times do we go up and
3.
over? Up.
Up 3.
So up
over
3
1.
over
1.
1. So the rise was
3 over 1.
3 over 1. Okay, can you give me the y-intercept as an ordered pair?
0, 1.
Good, here it is. That's your y-intercept. So give me the y equals mx plus b. What would be the equation?
Y equals 3x plus 1.
Yay!
Good job.
Okay, Kiambra, if I misspell your name, I'm sorry. Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it right.
Yay! Okay.
I want my smiley face to have braces.
Okay, let me make
Brace
you.
face.
I have no idea. Let's do.
Oh my God.
Okay. I'm just making up whatever.
It looks like he got beat up.
He looks like he got beat up.
No, that looks like that.
Okay, and let's do pointy ears, and let's make him a big guy.
He wanted braces.
Yay!
Oh my.
There you go. Great job.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye, Kiambra. Yay!
Yay! So we have another caller from Griner. Yes, we
Yay!
do.
Okay.
Ivan, we need more people to call in though.
Call in, guys. Okay. It's 972-925-3123. I would love to talk to you. Okay. I forgot his name already.
Ivan.
Hi, Ivan.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing much.
Nothing much. Okay, who's your teacher?
Mr. Islas.
Mr. Islas. Thank you, Mr. Islas, for staying after school. I heard you're welcome. I know you're welcome. Okay, are you ready?
Oh, you're welcome.
There we go.
Hey, have you done graphing already?
Yeah.
Do you know rise over run?
Yes.
Awesome. So let me give you some more graphing. Here we go. Ah. Okay, zoom, zoom, zoom out. Okay, Nelly?
Okay, write an equation that represents the graph.
Okay, let me zoom in. What do we need to write an equation for a linear equation?
slope
And
and the y-intercept.
awesome. So if I can find my marker, here we go. So here we go. Just by looking at this, is this a positive slope or a negative slope?
It's a negative slope.
Negative slope. Awesome. Remember, if it goes up towards the left, it's going to be negative. If it goes up towards the right, it's going to be
Positive.
positive. Good. Okay, so let's find out the slope. Slope equals y-intercept. Okay, now, in order to figure out the slope, we need 2 points, right? So we can do rise over run.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you let me know which points you want.
0.
The
Zero.
0, 0. Okay, this is also called your what?
Your origin.
Your origin. Awesome. So tell me when you stop when you hit another perfect point. Tell me when you stop. When do I stop? When do I stop?
Now.
Woohoo. Okay, let me go the opposite way. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
Now.
Awesome. Okay, there's some students who they get a little confused. They're like, how do you know what points to pick? Just make sure that they're right on a little corner, okay? Not inside a box at all. Okay, now let's do rise over run. Does it matter which 2 points I pick to do rise over run?
No.
No, it doesn't matter. So you want to pick the first 2 or the last 2?
The first 2.
Okay, doesn't matter. So let me start. I always like to start from the bottom to remind me to go up first, okay? But it doesn't matter which one you start from. So I'm going to start from the bottom point. So tell me how many times I go up
1.
and over. So 1 over
1 over 2. Negative 2.
That's awesome. Negative 2. Why is it negative 2 again?
Because you go to the left.
Good, because going up is positive, so that's why we
And
put
left.
1.
Yeah.
And left is negative. So how do I write that as a rise over a run?
1 over negative 2.
1 over negative 2, or you can put negative 1 over 2. It doesn't matter as long as you include that negative. Now my y-intercept, what is my y-intercept as an ordered pair?
0, 0.
0, 0. Okay, the equation now. Can you give it to me? Oh, this looks like a smiley face, right? Oh, anyways, maybe my smiley faces. Okay, so we're going to have y equals, tell me.
Negative 1 f x.
Negative 1, what?
Negative 1 over 2x.
Over 2x. And then?
And that's it.
That's it. Could you put plus 0 if you wanted to?
Yeah.
Sure you can. So you could put plus 0 if you want to, or you don't have to, but we'll go ahead and leave it like that. Okay, let me give you a smiley face.
Something scary.
And I have I just, whatever the heck's in my head, that's what I do. Okay, let's give him some bushy eyebrows. Oh, that kind of looks like my ex-boyfriend. Just kidding. Okay, anyway.
Looks like a pig.
Okay, I have no idea. And I don't know what that is, guys, but I'm trying. Okay.
Its ears.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, it is Halloween. It's gonna be Halloween. So let's do, maybe give him a square.
A triangle.
That's
That
a
doesn't
triangle.
look like a square.
Come on, Miss Ayala. I don't know my shape. Okay, I guess that's
Is it
yours.
Halloween already?
Yep, it
Yes,
is.
it's October. Good job.
Yay!
We have another caller.
That's not a square.
It looks like
I
a
know.
triangle.
Sorry, guys. I'm a little sleepy. Okay.
Well, yeah, we have a caller. Her name is LaDonna, I believe. LaDonna?
Is that correct? LaDonna?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, LaDonna. Where are you calling from?
And Wilma School.
And who's your teacher?
Mr. Nisi.
Oh, did you say Miss?
Mr.
Oh, Mr.
Oh,
Oh, there's a lot of misters today. Tell him that we said thank you for staying with you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, have you done graphing yet?
No.
Okay,
I'm in 7th grade.
you're in 7th grade. What about, wow, and you're calling
Wow.
in? Let me see if I can,
Find something.
okay, do you know how to plot points?
Huh?
Do you know how to plot points?
I'm not in algebra class yet. I'm an understanding algebra student.
Okay, I'm going to give you a word problem, and I think you'll be okay because it's a little bit of common sense. So, are you ready?
Okay.
And you'll be fine. If you're not, we'll help you. Okay, my assistant, Nelly, is going to read this problem.
Okay, it says, Mr. Anton rented a pressure washer. The rental fee was $10 for the first day and $5 for each additional day. How much did it cost to rent the pressure washer for 4 days?
Okay, for 4 days. So you notice how the day is number 4. It's missing the price for the 4th day. Okay, so all we have to do is look at how much it keeps going up. So how much does it keep going up?
5.
5, right? $5. So the first day was $10. The second day was $15. And then the third day was $20, right? Okay, so let's see. The rental fee was $10 for the first day. Okay, so how much is it going up? How much is it going up?
5.
$5, and you already said that, so I apologize. And from 15 to 20?
$5.
$5. Good. They're adding $5, right? So what do you think from 20 to 4? What are we going to do with the 20?
25.
Good. We're going to add $5. Jeez, was that so hard?
No.
You did awesome.
You're going to be ahead.
Yeah. Yes. Do we have another caller?
No, I think we believe we need to take a break.
Okay, we're going to have to take a break. Okay, ready for a smiley face?
Okay.
Okay, let me make up a girly one. I've done this one before. Okay, that one doesn't look like a girl, huh?
Eyelashes.
Oh, I know. Eyelashes. Maybe a scary girl. Let's put her a pretty nose, pretty pointy nose. And lips. Oh, she's getting pretty now.
Let's put some pigtails.
And her little ears. And then another square. Another triangle. Just kidding. And there you go. And hi. She doesn't have a chin, does she?
She doesn't have a mouth.
There, it's
It's
right
right there.
Okay, it's there. Look at, she's gonna stick out her tongue. There you go. Woohoo!
Good job.
Thank you, ma'am, for calling in. And are we really gonna go on a break?
Yes, I believe we do.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Commercial time.
Keep calling in.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in a little bit.
You think you know math? Well, calculate this! Calculate This is a live interactive program where you can brush up on your math skills and still have loads of fun at the same time. Whether it be formulas, functions, equations, or graphs, you can conquer it on this amazing adventure. Watch Calculate This Tuesdays at 3:45 p.m. DSTV Channel 9B. Saving the world one number at a time.
We're back.
We're back. Yay!
Did y'all miss us?
No. Didn't miss us.
We need people to call in. So
Okay, y'all call in. Schools. Yay!
Jose.
We have caller already. Okay,
Oh.
we got Jose from WT White. Hi,
Hey.
Jose.
Hi, miss.
Hi.
Hi, Nelly.
hi.
Don't sound so excited, Jose. Are you awake?
Don't write so big, Jose.
Are you awake?
Yes.
Okay, wake up.
Let's
Okay.
give him a hard problem.
Well, he's a smarty pants.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, here we go. Ready, Jose?
Yeah.
It says determine the slope and y-intercept for the table of values. Oh my goodness, how do we do that?
Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1.
Okay, so the slope equals y2 minus y1 over.
X2 minus X1.
Okay, so you can use it the formula way, or I know at least at WT White, I'm not sure if they've done this yet. What they're doing, they're just kind of looking at the table and seeing the pattern. Okay, when you use the formula, guys, you can pick whichever ordered pairs you want to plug it in. All this means, this funky little 2 just means the second y minus the first y divided by the second x you pick minus the first x you pick. That's all it means, those little funky numbers. Okay, so you pick whichever 2 ordered pairs that you want. Which ones would you like to pick, Jose?
2 and -1 and 3 and -3.
Okay, 2 and -1 and 3 and -3. Good. So here we go. So don't worry about this anymore, guys. Okay? So this equals, what's the second y? Remember, f of x is the same thing as what, guys? Or you,
Y.
Jose? Y. Okay, I think I'm at school teaching. Okay, so here we go. What's the second y that you chose?
-3
Negative 3.
plus 1.
Okay, the minus, I'm going to go step at a time, okay? So I'm going to get the minus from the formula. But then what's this first y that you chose?
-1.
A -1. So what's the deal? What happens to this minus and this negative?
It becomes a
They
positive.
become positive, okay? Because negative times a negative is a positive. So divide it by, what's the second x that you chose?
3,
3 minus the first x that you chose,
2,
2. Okay, here we go. What's -3 plus 1?
-2
-2.
over 1.
Awesome. -2 over 1. So your m, your slope, okay, is -2 over
1.
1. Okay, here we go. Now we have to find out the y-intercept. Y-intercept. So what do you want to do? Do you want to graph this and try to figure out what the y-intercept is, or do you want to just use the table and keep going up till we get to 0?
I was going to say y2 minus y1 equals m, and then that parentheses x minus
The
x1.
point slope formula?
Yeah, that.
Okay, point slope formula. They might not been there yet, the point slope formula, so I'm going to try to keep it
Simple.
simple. Yeah, so the Algebra 1 students might not have done point slope formula yet. So this is what I'm going to do. Let's use the pattern here. Okay, this is y over x, right?
Right.
Okay, so what are we doing with the y's?
Not
What's here? What does this say?
-2
Subtracting 2. And what are we doing with the x's?
over 1.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and let's see how this comes out. Ooh, too bright. I'm going to go ahead and I had a graphing one around here. It was just simple graph. Okay, just a second, just a second. Where did it go? It was just an X and a Y. Well, that's okay.
You can do the table.
Or we can play one of the numbers, like one of the like 2, like for y.
Let's do this. Y equals mx plus b. Okay. Now, I want you to pick one ordered pair here to plug in, because here's the problem, guys. We figured out the m already, but we don't know the b. Okay, we don't know it. We need to know the b in order to write the y equals mx plus b. So I want you to pick whichever ordered pair to plug in so we can figure out the b, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
3, -3.
Okay, so you're gonna pick this one. Okay, here we go. So instead of y equals, which y did you pick?
-3.
So -3 equals, what's the m that we got?
-2.
-2. What's the x that you chose?
3 plus b.
Plus b. Okay, so here we go. -3 equals, what's -2 times 3?
-6.
-6 plus,
b.
okay, how do you solve for b?
Add 6 on both sides.
Yes. So I'm not sure. Okay, if you guys haven't done this yet, that's okay. You'll be a little bit ahead, especially when scope and sequence doesn't have solving equations yet. So here we go. What's -3 plus 6?
+3.
+3. So now I know the b, guys, and now you can come and replace it for b. Okay, so here we go. What's my equation of the line?
Y equals -2x plus 3.
Plus 3. Woohoo! Do we have another caller already? I'm going to put great job.
Smiley
Jose.
face. Good job, Jose.
Woohoo! Good job, Jose.
I want a surfboard.
What?
I want a surfboard.
A surfboard? Oh, I can't draw surfboards.
Okay.
Oh, we didn't tell
Sorry.
what the present was for today.
No, we didn't.
It'll be a surprise.
Okay.
We have Carlos from Griner.
We have to say bye to Jose.
Oh,
thanks,
sorry, Jose. Bye. My bad.
Bye. Okay, we have another caller.
Yes. Yay. Carlos. Are you there?
Yeah.
Hola.
Hola.
Hi, Carlos. How you doing?
Fine.
Good. Have you done graphing already?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this problem that I just did? Were you okay with it? Or you haven't
Yeah.
gone there yet?
No, it was all right.
It was all right? Okay, because I don't want to get too ahead either. So, you want to do some graphing?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. should I? Yeah, let me do this one. Okay, it's gonna be kind of hard. Can you see the
Yeah,
table?
graph. Yeah.
Ready? I'm sorry, because y'all don't know, but I keep hearing voices in my ear, and you can
The boogeyman.
the boogeyman. Okay, so can you see those numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because when I print them out, they come. So you know that's a 3,
3,
13.
13,
Okay.
4, 16, 5, 19.
Okay, so it says
Which equation describes the number pattern below?
below or above, I should say.
Above.
Okay, now we need an M. What's the M stand for?
The slope.
The slope. We need the slope and we need the
Y-intercept.
y-intercept. So we know the y-intercept is going to be 0 something, right?
Yeah.
We don't know what it is. 0 something, and the slope's going to be a rise over a
Run.
run. Okay. Now, how would you have you been taught to use a formula to get the slope, or just to look at the pattern?
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, just the formula.
Okay, the formula. Okay, good. So then you know y2 minus y1 then?
Yeah.
Okay, so x2 minus x1. And this formula, guys, you don't have to do y2 minus y1. You can do the y1 minus y2 as long as you do x1 minus x2 also, as long as you're consistent on both sides. But this is how you'll see it on your formula charts all the time. So this is how I'm going to write it. Okay, so which ordered pairs would you like to pick?
The 1, 7,
Okay, we're going to pick this one and
and 2, 10.
210. Does it matter which two we pick?
Nah.
No, because it's the same line anyways. Okay, let me move this a little bit. Okay, so what's the second y that you chose?
10,
10. So 10 minus
7,
7 divided by
2,
2 minus
1,
1. This one was pretty, huh? What's 10 minus 7?
3,
3. And then 2 minus 1?
1.
1. So there is your slope. 3 over 1, or I can just say 3. And if I was taking a tax, which, do you even have to figure out the B?
Nah.
No, which one would the answer be?
A.
It has to be A for sure, because this one doesn't have, the slope is what on this one?
1,
1. And what's the slope on this one?
2,
2. And the slope on this one?
2.
Okay, but because we're learning, I want us to figure out how in the world did they get 4, okay?
Yeah.
So how did you learn to get the B?
Um,
Did you plug it in like Cosette did, mx
Yeah.
plus b, or did they show you the point slope
no,
formula?
yeah, the y equals mx plus b.
Okay, awesome. So you pick an ordered pair to plug in. Which one would you like?
1, 1, 7.
1, 7. Okay, so we're picking this one. 1, 7. So instead of y equals, what do I write?
7 equals
7 equals. What's your m that you got?
3 over 1.
3 over 1. Can I just write 3?
Yeah.
Okay, parentheses. What's the x?
1.
Yes, up here, 1. Okay, plus b. So here we go. 7 equals, what's 3 times 1?
3.
3 plus b. How do you get rid of 3?
Subtract 3 from both sides.
Okay, so my b equals
7, take away 3. It's 4.
which is 4. So my final, then we're going to go back and plug it in here. So y equals, what's my m that we got?
3 over 1
Okay, so this is 3. And then?
times 7.
No.
No, times x.
Okay, x. That's an x.
Yeah.
That's not times, right? That's okay. And then what's the b?
4.
Just 4 like this?
No,
What do I need to write?
plus 4.
Plus 4. Good.
Yay.
Plus 4. Okay. This one was pretty. It was a little long and you did awesome. So let me give you
Thanks.
a cutie smiley face. Okay. And I'm running out of
Ideas.
smiley face. Okay. And
A bow.
I'm going to give him a, that's a hat. I'm trying to do a hat, so yay. And then this, big feet there. There you go. Woohoo!
Yay.
Great job, you did awesome.
Alrighty then.
Bump, 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 bump.
We have another caller. That's
Yeah.
good. Hello?
Are you there?
Hello,
Hi. Jasmine. Is it Jasmine?
Jasmine.
Or Jasmine?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay, because I have a student who always gets mad at me because I mispronounce the name. Anyways, okay, Jasmine. Have you gone over graphing already?
No.
No. Okay. Who's your teacher there?
Mr. Nisi.
Oh, did you say Miss?
Mr.
Mister. Another Mister. I've already asked them though.
There's a lot.
Okay. Well, thank you again for staying. Okay. So you haven't done any graphing at all.
No.
Okay. Let me try to look for something that you can do. Okay.
Is this the
I'm
7th
not
grade?
in algebra.
Okay. You're not in algebra.
I think it's the same school that called earlier.
Yeah. That's okay. That's
That's
awesome
good,
that
But
you
I
are.
like algebra.
It's
That's
fun,
awesome
isn't
that
it?
you're calling, yes. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Let me give you this. Hopefully you can handle this one. And if you can't, I will be more than happy to help you, okay? Okay, so triangle.
If triangle XYZ is translated 2 units left and 4 units up, which is the image of X?
Of X, okay. Have you seen an coordinate plane before?
Yes.
Okay, awesome, good. Okay, so this is a triangle. Can you see the numbers okay here? -1, -2, -3, -4. Can you see this okay?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So what the heck did it ask us? I already forgot. Okay, they want us to translate 2 units to the left, so we're just going to get the triangle and move where?
2 units to the left.
So 2 to the left and then 4 units
That up.
up. So I'm going to go up 4 units. But we only care about which letter?
X.
About X. So I'm only going to worry about this point. So I'm only going to move this point 2 to the left and then 4 up, okay? Because that's the only one they asked us about. So here we go. Let me zoom in. So remember 2 left and 4 up. Here we go. So here we go. X is right here. Can you see this number? What's this number right here?
4.
That's 4. So tell me where to go from here.
Go to -2.
Okay, good. So move 2 units to the left to -2 and then what?
Go up 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my new Z. So can you give me the ordered pair here?
-2, 8.
I thought you didn't have algebra. This is awesome.
8.
You put 0.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I just want to make sure you pay attention. Okay, now let's see. What did it say here? Oh, there's no multiple choice, so then that's the answer. Okay,
That was easy.
do you have another color?
No, we don't.
Okay,
So
so
how about
do you want to try another problem since that one was real fast?
Yes.
What do you think? Okay, now let me see. What about, I'm going to go ahead and do a problem with you because it's not hard even though you haven't seen it. Okay, so this might look a little funky to you, but it'll be easy, I promise, okay? Okay, it says
Which of the following is parentheses 2a to the 4th, b squared, parentheses, ab to the 3rd, c to the 3rd, parentheses, in simplest form?
okay, what does parentheses mean to do?
Hello.
Whoa. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Who's this?
Carl.
Hello.
Oh, they clicked on the last
Oh, they hung up on the last caller.
We're sorry. Jasmine.
Sorry, Jasmine. I was going to teach you something new.
Oh, y'all call in still, though.
Yeah,
Y'all might
call
have
us
time
back.
to get in.
Carl.
Yes.
Hi.
How you doing?
That's so funny.
Okay, Carl. I'm going to give you a harder one.
Oh.
Okay? Because that one was just too easy. Okay, let's see. What do I give Carl? Let's give him a word problem. Okay, make sure y'all are copying these problems down.
We copied them all down.
Good.
We got them all.
Yeah, you
I
want-
hear
We
Ryan.
didn't get the last.
Good. Yay, this is my brother's name. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, go for it, Nelly.
Antonio spent the day riding his bike. His travels are described in the graph above. During what section of the graph did he stop for lunch?
Okay, so Antonio, that's my brother's name. Yay. Okay, Antonio spent the day riding his bike, okay? So I want you to look at the different parts of the graph. They're all labeled A, B, C, and D. And tell me when Antonio got a little tired and he decided
C.
to...
That
Carl,
was quick.
I like the way you let me finish talking.
Oh, my bad.
That's okay. Okay, tell me what's going on part A.
He looked like he rolling.
He's rolling? Okay, he's rolling. So on this part, which, right here, right? Is he going faster on A or on B?
B.
Okay, on B. So what about on D?
He's still rolling.
Whoa.
Well, he
Okay, where is he going? I'm sorry, Carlos, because someone's talking to me in my ear. Okay, I've got A, B, and D. Where is he going the fastest?
D.
D, right? Right here, he's going the fastest. Fastest.
Yes.
Fast.
EST.
Okay, and then where is he going the slowest?
C.
Well,
No.
he
Well,
stopped at C,
B.
right? At B, right? He's going the slowest here. Okay, so when it's a flat line, okay, this is distance, right, guys? So is he going anywhere at C?
No, he stopped.
He stayed in the same place, so this is where he stopped, right here. Okay, and let me see. He traveled, where did he stop for lunch? So where did he stop?
7-Eleven.
At 7-Eleven.
McDonald's.
You got Slurpee. You got hungry.
Let me give Carl, okay, I'll just give you a plain Jane smile, okay, with little ears.
How cute.
Yay! Thank you, Carl, for calling.
Keep
Bye.
calling.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye. We have a new caller. Yay,
Woo,
Griner.
woo.
His name is Sergio.
Hi, Sergio.
Hi.
Is this Sergio?
Yeah.
Hi, Sergio.
Hi.
What's up?
Not much.
Not much. Are you a little tired?
Yeah.
Okay, you sound a little tired. That's awesome still, though, that you stayed. Have you done graphing before? Have you done graphing?
Yes.
Okay, so you know rise over run?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let me give you some graphing. Let me see. Here we go. Whoop, whoop. Okay.
Do I read it?
Okay, yeah.
Which is an equation of the graph?
Okay, so this is multiple choice. Can you tell me for sure one of them that we can eliminate because we haven't seen it before?
D.
D?
Yeah.
Are you sure
Are you
about
sure?
that one?
B.
Oh, you said B. Okay, so how do we know for sure it's not B?
Because of the square.
Because of the square. Good. Because
That's
you'll do that later,
We've
but
done that.
that what?
Yeah, we've done that.
You haven't done that yet. Good.
No,
So
we've done
They
it.
have it.
oh, you have
Yeah.
done it.
Yeah.
So what does it look like? The squared,
Like a U shape.
like a U shape. Awesome.
What's it called? A
What
parabola.
school are you? A parabola.
Yeah.
What school are you from again?
Quadratic.
It's quadratic. Watch out, he's showing off. That's awesome. Okay, so in order to write an equation, we need a slope, right? We need the slope and we need the y
Intercept.
intercept. Okay, so here we go. Let's pick 2 points on the graph and 2 exact pretty points so we can do rise over run. So where would you like to start from?
-6.
Okay, -6 right here. Okay, tell me when to stop when you find another pretty point, okay?
Alright. Right there.
Okay. Good. Okay, so let's do rise over run. We're going to do rise over run. Okay, so here we go. So tell me how many times do you go up and over?
Up 4.
Up 4.
And to the right 3.
To the
2.
right
2.
2. There's 2 little blocks in between, right? So can I reduce that still?
Yes.
What would that give me?
2, 1.
2 over 1. Awesome.
Good.
2 over 1. So my slope is 2 over 1. Okay, tell me what my B is, your y-intercept. Can you see from there?
Yeah. 0, 0, 12.
Okay, I'm not helping things. Okay, 0, 12. Good. I love how you said it as an ordered pair. Okay, so let's write it as an equation. Here we go. Tell me. Let me write the letter.
Y equals
Y equals, what's the M?
Slope.
Remember the M is your slope. Okay, so what's the slope that we got?
Sergio.
Sergio, you still there? Sergio
Sergio.
accidentally hung up. Okay, well, Nellie's gonna help me finish it off. We'll
Okay.
finish.
Call back.
Okay, can we go back to the problem, please? Okay, Nellie's gonna go ahead and help me finish it off. He was almost done. Sergio, where did you go? Okay.
Okay, so our slope would be 2/1.
Okay, and how can I write it? Do I have to write 2/1?
No, you can just write 2.
2, because 2 divided by 1 is just 2, and then?
2x plus 12.
2x
because
plus-
it's positive.
Good, because it's a positive 12. Good. Awesome, awesome, awesome.
Yay! Good
Okay, let me
job.
put good job, Sergio, anyways, because
You clicked.
he accidentally hung up.
It's okay.
I hope it was an accident. Maybe he won't talk to me anymore. Okay, we have another caller.
Yay! LaDonna, it's a LaDonna again.
Oh, she's calling again?
Yes.
That's awesome. LaDonna?
Hey,
Hola.
Hey.
How you doing?
fine.
Fine. Good. Okay, you sound really excited to be on the phone. Are you?
Not really.
Not really? You're no big deal? Okay, you want to say hi to anybody?
Why y'all cut off my friend?
Okay, say hi to your friend.
No, Jasmine was on here.
Oh, this is the one I was going to give her.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so maybe she can help you. Ready? Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, so Nellie already read this one.
Yeah, I did.
But we're going to simplify multiplying these two, okay? Parentheses means to multiply, right?
Okay.
Okay, so here's the deal. Now, you all don't have algebra, right? Is that right?
We have algebra at school?
Yeah. Are you taking algebra already? Okay, so I'm going to teach it to you like if you've never seen it before, okay? Now, when you don't see a number in front of this letter, there's an understood, do you know by chance? Okay, that would be a no. There's an understood 1 in front of the A. Okay, because in algebra, they don't write the 1, okay, because it's understood to be there, okay?
Okay.
So, parentheses means to multiply. So the regular numbers, like the 2 and the 1, you're going to multiply them, okay? So can you tell me what 2 times 1 is going to be?
2.
2, so I'm going to write the 2, okay? Now, these are exponents.
Okay.
Okay, all of the little bitty numbers, we call them exponents or we call them powers, okay?
Okay.
Now, you notice how the letter A doesn't have an exponent?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what do you think it's understood to be if they don't write it down?
Huh?
What do you think that the number for this A is going to be? You see how the B has a 3 and the C has a 3? They didn't write one for the A because there's an understood 1. It's an understood A to the first power.
A to the 5th power?
To the first power, yes.
First power? Okay.
Yes. Now, we multiplied the 2 and the 1, right? So the exponents, what you're going to do is add them, okay? So you do the same letter with the same letter. So you're not going to add like 4 and 3 because this is the letter C and this is the letter A.
Okay.
Understand? Okay, so you add the exponents with that same letter and the same letter on the other side. So I'm going to have A to what power?
A to the 5th power?
Good, because she did 4 plus 1. Now you're going to do B to what power?
B to the 5th power?
Awesome, B to the 5th. Now, do you notice that there's no other C's over here?
No.
Okay, so the only thing you can do is write it down. So what do I write down?
C to the 3rd power?
C to. Was that easy or what?
Yes.
Okay, and that's algebra. You did algebra.
Good
okay.
job.
Awesome, awesome. So what letter would it be?
It will be H.
H, yeah. Can you hear your applause already? Can you hear the applause in the back or no?
Uh-huh. I hear it.
Okay, let's do, I'm going to give him big teeth, okay?
Okay.
Oh, let's give him, let's do this, and let's pretend he doesn't have a tooth here. Yeah, so he just, his parents didn't
He ate
have,
too much candy.
yeah, his parents didn't have money to take him to the dentist, just like my parents. Okay. Okay, and just let's make
Is
him
it a
skin.
monkey?
I have no idea.
Oh,
He can be a monkey if you want him to be a monkey. Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Yay.
calling.
We have another caller from White again. Yay.
All right.
White. Hello?
White.
Hello?
Okay, who is on the phone?
This is Austin.
Austin.
I thought it was Jessica.
No,
Okay.
No.
Austin.
Jessica hung up.
Oh,
She had
Austin.
to go.
What school do you go to?
Griner.
Okay.
Make sure you call back, Jessica. So, Griner, are you guys graphing?
Yeah, we've done graphics.
Okay, so you know about rise over run.
Yeah.
Are you cool with that? Okay, let me see. Let me give you one like this.
Give him a hard one.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Yay. Okay. Let's go to the problem.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. They're a little slow today. Okay, report to the main office.
We hear the
Portable
background.
13. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to give me the equation of this line, okay? Just by looking at this line, can you tell me if it's got a positive slope or a negative slope?
Positive.
Positive slope, because remember, when it's going up towards the right, it's positive, right? When it's going up this way, and when it's going the other way, it's what?
Negative.
Negative. So for sure it's a positive slope. Okay, so here we go. Now we have to figure out the slope and the what?
The
Y.
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. Awesome. Okay, here we go. So I need you to pick 2 points for me so we can do a rise over a run for slope. Is that how they taught you, rise over run?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So pick 2 points, whichever
0,
point.
negative 3.
0.
Negative 3.
Right here?
No, negative 2. I'm sorry.
0, negative 2. Awesome. And pick another point.
2, 0.
2, 0. Good.
X-intercept.
Okay, good. That's the x-intercept. That's the y-intercept. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do rise over run. So here we go. Tell me how many times do we go up and over to get to the next point? So how many units did we go up?
2.
So we did 2 over
2.
2. So what does that reduce to?
1.
1. Okay, and what is my y-intercept? Uh-oh. What's my y-intercept?
0, negative 2.
Okay, can you repeat that again for me, please?
0, negative 2.
0, negative 2. Thank you. I couldn't hear you the first time. Okay, now give me the equation, por favor, please. So y equals, tell me.
Y equals mx plus b.
Okay, that's the equation. Good. And then now give me the answer. Y equals, what's the m that we got?
Y equals 1.
Good. 1 what? Yeah, I can hear somebody whispering. 1x. Good. And then what's the b that we got?
Negative 0, negative 2.
Okay, so but we don't write 0, negative 2. We only write the y. So what do I write right
negative
here? Minus 2, right? Or negative 2.
Yeah.
Minus 2. Okay, did we have to write that 1 in front of the x?
No, just
No,
put
but
X.
yeah, but it's not wrong if you write it down. So I always tell my students, if it makes you feel better seeing it there, you write it down. Okay, ready for your smiley face?
Sure.
Okay, or you don't care for one?
Either way.
Okay, let's do this.
What is this? A clown?
Yeah. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. And lots
Santa
of hair,
Claus
lots
hot.
of hair.
Pat.
Why'd you guys click Sergio? He got mad.
Why did we do?
He clicked on us.
Yeah,
We're sorry,
have-
Sergio.
Oh, we're sorry, Sergio.
You
Tell
can
him
call
to-
again, though.
Tell him to call back.
I was
Okay,
taking a frown.
okay, we're gonna put sorry,
Sergio.
Sergio. Okay,
A frown. He wanted a frown face.
and let's do this.
Thank you. Say sorry, Sergio.
Sorry, Sergio.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Call again.
Call again. Y'all keep calling. We have Jessica again.
Jessica.
Oh, she clicked on us again. Y'all just have to wait for a little while.
Are we hanging up on them or are they hanging up on us?
Oh, we
Okay.
have Jasmine again.
Okay, Jasmine.
Hello.
Hi. Are you the one who hung up earlier?
No, she called again, remember?
Okay. I could have sworn we hung
She's
up.
starting to like algebra, aren't you?
Awesome. Jasmine,
Huh?
are you there?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
I'm trying to find one for you because I don't want you to get a hard one. Okay. You know what? Let's see. Hold on. Don't go to the problem yet. That's probably too bright, huh?
No, you can see it. Though.
Okay. It's good. Okay, here we go. I'm going to make up a problem for you. And I'm going to teach you how to graph. And so when you get to Algebra 1, you can be Miss Ayala already taught me how to do this. Okay? So
Okay.
here we go. Okay, woo, bright orange.
For Halloween.
Okay, does that hurt your eyes?
No.
Awesome. Okay, yeah, Halloween. I'm getting ready for Halloween. Okay, so I'm going to make up an equation for you. So I'm going to make up y equals, and let's make up something like 1 third x. Okay, so plus 2. Okay, so I made that up. So I'm going to teach you how to graph this, okay?
Okay.
Now, this point right here, that's going to be your starting point. Okay?
Okay.
And you always start from your y-axis. It's called the y-intercept. Okay, so you're cool with this being your y-axis? You know that already?
Yes.
And this is your
X-axis.
x-axis. Awesome. So tell me where to go from here. If that's your starting point, tell me where to go from the middle.
Up.
Go up how many times?
2.
2. 1, 2. Here we go. That's my starting point. That's how you know where to start. Now the slope, this is going to help you put the other point so you can draw your line. Okay, this will help you guide you to make the other point. So this is the number at the top is going to tell you how many times to go up and down. The number at the bottom helps you decide how many times you're going to go left and right. That's why we say rise over run, because we're either going to rise up or down, or we're going to run left or right. Are you cool with that?
Okay.
Okay, so if it's a positive one, you think we're going to rise up or we're going to rise down?
Up.
Okay, so we're going to go up, and I don't even know why I put an equal sign, but this is going to be up. And if we're running 3, if it's positive 3, you think it's left or right? Positive 3.
Right.
To the right. Awesome. Okay, and remember, everyone who's out there, she's never done this before, so that's why I'm going a little bit slower. So I'm going to start from here, right? That's the starting point. So that tells you how many units to go up. So how many little blocks do I go up from here?
1.
Go up 1. And you don't put your point yet until you do your run. So how many times do I run?
3.
3 little blocks, right? 1, 2, 3. Can I put my point now?
Yes.
Yes. Now I can put it. So if you want to make another point, you do it again. So tell me where to go from here.
Up.
How many times?
1.
And then to the right.
3.
Okay. Now what would be my opposite way? I'm going to go back to the beginning. If I went up 1, what would be the opposite way?
Down.
Down. Down 1.
And go to the left 3 times.
Go to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Make sure y'all fix the text because we can't see it completely. And I'm not talking to you, sweetie. Okay, so from here. Okay, can I draw my line already? That's enough points, right, to draw a line?
Yes.
You see, look at this. You just graphed a linear function, and awesome. Have you ever done this before?
Nope.
No. So when you get to algebra, you're going to be, I've already done this. I know how to do this. So you did awesome. Good.
Yay.
Yay. Woo! Great job. I'm so
Do
proud
we have
of you.
time for another caller?
I can do an easy one.
Yeah, because we have one more person. So
Okay, we have one more caller, and that's going to be it.
We don't
Okay,
have-
we don't have time
Okay,
for
we're
one
sorry,
more caller.
Carla.
We're sorry.
Next Monday, though.
Yeah, make sure you call in.
Well, our present for today.
Okay, we're going to have a present today, you guys, and we didn't announce it at the beginning, but we have a calculator. Good. And Nelly actually...
I won one.
She actually won one, so it might not be a TI-83 Plus, but it's still very helpful.
And it
for you.
works.
And it works.
Rather than doing the math in your head.
Yes, and then I see Tootsie Rolls. I see some candy in there. Okay, so Nelly, can you tell us what color?
Our caller, lucky caller, ba-da-ba-bum.
Who won?
Kiambra.
Kiambra from
Yeah.
WT Fly.
Yeah.
Yay!
Also, we would love to see you, so don't forget to bring your pictures or email us at algebradudes@dallasisd.org. Or you can send it to the mail. No?
Yeah, you can send it through the departmental mail. So here we go.
Okay.
That's it for today, guys.
See you next Monday.
Call us on
Thanks
Monday.
for calling in. Bye.
Mwah. Bye, guys. Hasta luego.
Hasta la vista.